Hi friends, in my today video I will tell you about the digital marketing and its benefits and also its comparison with the traditional and old marketing ways. First of all, we will Google it and try to search what is digital marketing in Google. What is digital marketing? This is the website hubspot.com. I will select it. You can select anyone from here. Just tap on the website and this is hubspot.com. You can also get the free digital marketing guide from here. You can download from here and you can also click on this link and you can also download digital marketing fundamentals from here. So these are the key points. What is digital marketing? Why is digital marketing important? What is the role of digital marketing? Types of digital marketing and so on. Our first topic is in this video is what is digital marketing. So here is a detailed review of digital marketing. I just point out some of the lines from here and you can understand and you can go to the Google and search it by yourself. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Business leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. So this is the main definition of digital marketing. Now, why is digital marketing important? Digital marketing helps you reach a larger audience than you could through traditional methods and target the prospects who are most likely to buy your product or service. So this is the less expensive and more effective marketing strategy. Here are the few major benefits of the digital marketing. Number one, you can target only the prospects most likely to purchase your product or service. This is the number one benefit. If you place an advertisement on TV, in a magazine, or on a billboard, you have limited control over who sees the ad. Of course, you can measure certain demographics, including magazines' typical readership or the demographic of a certain neighborhood, but it's still largely a shot in the dark. Digital marketing, on the other hand, allows you to identify and target a highly specific audience and send the audience personalized, high converting marketing messages. And the number two point in the benefits of digital marketing, it's most cost effective than traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing enables you to track campaigns on a daily basis and decrease the amount of money you are spending on a certain channel if it is not demonstrating high ROI. The same can't be said for traditional forms of advertisement. It does not matter how your billboard performs, it still costs the same, whether or not it converts for you. Plus, with digital marketing, you have complete control over where you choose to spend your money. Perhaps rather than by paying PPC campaigns, you choose to spend money on design software to create high converting Instagram content. on the number 3 point in the benefits of digital marketing. Digital marketing lets you outrank bigger players in your industry. If you work for a small business, it's likely difficult for you to compete with the major brands in your industry, many of which have millions of dollars to invest in television commercials or nationwide campaigns. Fortunately, there are plenty of opportunities to outrank the big players through strategic digital marketing initiatives. So it's the benefit for the small businessmen. At number 4, digital marketing is measurable. You can measure digital marketing or competitiveness of digital marketing in routine basis or on daily basis. Digital marketing can give you a comprehensive start to finish view of all the matrices that might matter to your company, including impressions, shares, views, clicks, and time on page. This is one of the biggest benefits of digital marketing. While traditional advertisement can be useful for certain goals, its biggest limitation is measurability. You cannot measure your performance, your advertisement performance through traditional marketing. Now, come to the next point. What is the role of the digital marketing to a company? So, in this paragraph, you can see while traditional marketing might exist in print ads, phone communications, or physical marketing, digital marketing can occur electronically and online. This means that there are far more possibilities for brands to reach customers, including email, video, social media, and search engines. At this stage, at this era of the world, digital marketing is vital for your business and brand awareness. It seems like every other brand has a website, and if they don't, they at least have a social media presence or digital ad strategy. Digital content and marketing is so common that consumers now expect and rely on it as a way to learn about brands. So this is about the digital marketing and what is the digital marketing. I hope you like this video and will subscribe my channel also. In the next video I will tell you about the different types of digital marketing, and till then, thank you very much for watching this video and Allah Hafiz.